Welcome back to the shed today, guys. Today we're going to be building this mobile shuttle cart for my table saw. So for all the frame pieces, I'm just using regular CLS timber. It's 38 by 63mm, and I got this in Wickes. It's like £2 per length, and you get like 2.5 metres of it. So it's really cheap. They use it for stud walling, so it's really good just for projects in the shop. You know, it's not perfectly finished, but it can be sanded and it's easy to cut, so it's perfect for this. So I will leave all measurements up on the screen while I'm doing this. So I'll just measure them out and cut them, and then we can get working on getting them together. So I've got all my lengths cut out of the timber. Now all I'm going to do is use this Craig pocket jig just to put 2 pocket holes on each end of the 4 39cm pieces. So now all I'm doing is sinking some 2.5-inch Craig screws into the pockets and just trying to keep this as square as possible. Right, so we have our box. All I'm going to do is just make the faces all flush, just so that they're not harsh, because some of them obviously have stuck out a little bit, but it's not too big of an issue. But you just want to flush up the faces, and then we can put a top and bottom on it, get the wheels on and get it under the table saw. So now I've got the box done, basically I've got the frame completed. I'm just going to run this through the table saw for a top and bottom, and then we'll stick it on the frame. So I'm actually on the floor of the shed now, just because it makes it easier. And all I'm doing is I've lined the top up to where it's probably best suited to be. A bit of overhang on the back for the feet. Like that. Perfect. And then all I'm going to do is drill some pilot holes along the supports, countersink them, and then we can start screwing it down permanently. So I've got all my casters in place. All I'm going to do is quickly mark some holes, then drill them properly, and then we can screw them in, flip it over and get the saw on. So I went ahead and put the table saw on the mover. The brakes are a bit stiff, but I can now wheel this about and then just sort of push it into a corner out of the way. This gives me all this space here to have other things. So it has well and truly fitted its purpose. Rocks a little bit, but that's okay. I'll probably end up putting a little cupboard underneath here, maybe a drawer or something just for the mitre gauge and maybe a blade or something. But that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.